Welcome to our recorded class. Lupa, this is our asynchronous class, and we have to start with our date for today. Today's date is October 7, 2024. So let's move on to our calendar. Remember today's date, we have October 7, 2024. And from our calendar here, I'm going to circle it. This is October 7, 2024. So maybe if you have a calendar there in your house, you can check it out later after our class. Let me go to the next part of our class also, and that is to count our numbers from 1 to 30. So how about let's count it? I want you to count with me, okay? So on your seat there, you need to count the numbers with me. So what are the numbers here? Let's check them out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So those are the numbers that we have on our screen. That's 1 to 30. Now let me erase this one on the screen. And how about let's jump to our ab words. So one of our review words for today are the ab words. Now, here we have our first two words. The first one we have gap. Do we have the right letters for gap? If I sound it out, g, a, b, gap. Do we have our letters, the right ones? G, a, b. Yes, these are the letters for the word gap. Now, when you gab, you talk to your friends. You gab. G-A-B, that is gab. How about another one? If you have your dabber with you, what do? You dab your work. Just like this one on the screen, the picture shows somebody dabbing. So we have the word dab. D-A-B. I'm sounding it out. D-A-B. 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 Is this the word dab? Yes, we have our dab. So let's go back. This is gab. This one is dab. These are some of our ab words. Now, what about for another set? This time, when you go to the doctor, you get a jab or an injection for your medicine, a jab. Now, can you see the letters are scrambled? We have to fix it. The first word is jab. J-A-B. J-A-B. It's already scrambled. So let's fix it again. J sound, letter J. Let's fix it. It has to go in the first part. The one in the middle, A sound, letter A. And the B sound, letter B. B. Jab. Jab. We have the word jab. So this one, we have the jab for the injection, jab. Okay, another one. You can write this one. It's a taxi cab. K-A-B. I'm sounding it out. K-A-B. Cab. The first letter should be what? Letter C. C-A and the letter B, that is cab. Cab. C-A-B, cab. So we have our jab and this one is cab. Now, how about I move to the next one? Can you remember these pictures, these words? The scientist works in a lab. This one is the scientist making medicine. Maybe making perfume. Or another one, maybe making the cleaner in your house or the shampoo or the lotion. So we have lab. So how about we sound out the letters? L, A, B. The first letter has the L sound. It's letter L. L, and in the middle, A, that's A, and the B sound at the end, B, to make the word lab. I see the scientist in the lab. L-A-B, lab. Lab. Okay, next, when you open a can, you're supposed to hold a tab. So what are the letters? T, A, B. T, A, B. Letter T first, then in the middle, A, and the B sound at the end, B. So let's fix to make the word tab. T-A-B, tab. So again, we have lab and we have tab. I see the scientist works in the lab. I can open the can using the tab. Okay, next set. This time, another set of verb words, and they have the 4 letters. So when you get your things, you need to grab it. Grab. How how do we sound out for grab? G sound first. G. G and R together has the gr sound in grab. Gr. Gr. Ah. In the middle, is it B or A? It is A. We have to put A in the middle. Grab. Gr. Grab. I will grab the things with me and go out of the room. Grab. Grab. Okay, next, an animal that pinches and nips you. It is the crab. So what are the letters in crab? We have to sound it out. The k sound, k. Letter C, k. R. Cur. A. Letter A in the middle and B. Letter B at the end to make the word crab. I see the crab walk in the shore. Crab. So let's go back. The first word, grab. And another one, crab. We're done already with our ab words. Now let's jump to our add words. Words that has the d sound at the end. So a name of a boy. This time we have his name. It's Brad. There are 4 letters in Brad. B and R together has the brr sound. So it has to go first. B-R. Brad. Brr sound. B-R. But what about in the middle? Brad. Brad. B-R-A-D. Brad. His name is Brad. Okay, another one. When you are happy, you are also glad. So what are the letters in glad? G, G, L, G, L, glad. What are the letters? So G and L together as the G sound. G, A, T, glad. His name is Brad. He is glad. Again, Brad, glad. Now, let's jump to another one. This time, we have another word for boy, and that is the lad. L-A-D. 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 This is how you spell for the word lad. So, a boy is another word for the lad. They're just the same. Lad. A lad in the library is reading books. So we have lad. Another one, when the finger is going down, it's a thumbs down. It is bad. So what are the letters? Let's sound it out. B sound first. That should be letter B. B. A in the middle and the D sound letter D. So we have lad and we have bad. Okay, now that we're done with this one, let's move to our next set. Okay, do you see this picture? He is mad. What are the letters in mad? Sound first. Letter M. A, D. A, D. He is mad. When somebody is mad, they are angry, mad. Another one, a dad. Do you love your dad? So this one, a dad is hugging his son. D, a, D. What are the letters? D, D. Sound first, then there's A in the middle, a, and D to make dad. Okay, let's go back. Mad, dad. Mad, dad. Let's jump to the next set. Okay, this time we have a picture of a boy. He is crying already, and that is sad. He is sad. So what are the letters? Sounds. A-D. S-A-D. Sad. I see him and he is sad. Another one, a notebook here. You can write on a pad. P-A-D. P. A in the middle. That's letter A. P-A-D. P. A. D. Pad. So we have sad and we have pad. So those are the words that we reviewed and scrambled out the letters for. The first set, we have the ab words, and now we ended with add words. But I think it's time for us to work on our worksheet. And let me remind you, if teacher is being fast with the work, it's okay. Pause the video, play it again once you are done. Now, let's start with this page. I have here our ab words. These are the words that has A and B in them, ab. And I purposely did a blue color on our work because some of the letters you won't be able to see on the screen. Let me remind you, when you work first, always write your name at the top. Write your full name, okay? This should be here in the space at the top, and you have to follow the spaces for your letters. Each name has a space in between. Okay, let's jump to our instruction. It says to color the words that end with am. So we're going to find all those ab words first. You can use your crayon to do that. So here we have our ab word. I found one. And then we can also find this one, A and B, ab. And another one here, also ab. Now, I'm so sorry, teacher is having a hard time finding also the ab words, but you can answer it there on your worksheet. It's just a little light for me to see, that's why. So here also, A and B, that's ab. And another one here, that's ab. On your work, you get to trace those. You can color as well using crayon. I'm using my crayon on the screen to color all of them. We have our ab. A and B, ab. Now, if you're done with this one, finding all the ab words, good job. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video, play it again once you're done. Are you done? Let's color for the ab words inside our A and B. So, jab is one of them. He uses the stick to jab into the marshmallow. That's jab. Another ab word, we get to color the cab. A cab is a kind of vehicle. You can ride it going somewhere else. What else is an ab word? Do we color for crab? Yes. This is the crab. We get to color it. Crab is an ab word. But what about the dog here? The dog takes something with him. When you take something, you also grab it. So let's color grab. Grab is also an ab word. Okay, next. What about for this one? There's a dabber. He will dab for his work. So let's color for the dab. Another one, when you're with your friends, you talk a lot. That is gab. Color for gab. Okay, I think we're done already with our ab words. So we have our jab, our cab, the crab, grab, dab, and also our gab. How about let's write for them? This time, you need to spell out for the word that you like. But I'll be choosing two, just like on the screen and the work. I'll write the ones that I have here. I will write for grab and I will also write for jab. So here, the first word is jab for me. When I write it here under the broken line because J is a cat letter. Line down with a hook, add a jelly bean on top. Around, up and down, A, line down, and B, bear's belly. That is jab, J-A-B, jab. Another one, I'll go to grab already. So letter G, go around, go up, line down with a hook. Your letter R, line down, make a rainbow. Your A, go around, up and down. ND, lying down, make a bear's belly, that's grab. So let's go back. We have the jab, and we also have grab. Now, if you're done with your work, good job. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Are you done? I'll move on to the next work. This is already done for our ab words. Now, let's get to touch, read, and match. So for the first part, again, I want you to write for your name at the top, your full name. Now, since if you're done with writing, we can already proceed with our ab words. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video, play it again once you are done. Can we move to the next part of our class, of our work? We have our ab words already. Let's sound them out. K, a, b, cab. So you get to touch each letter. You sound it out. K, a, b, cab. Where is cab? Let's make a line. You match it. The cab is where? This one. I can ride a cab. Another one. This is d, a, b. D, a, b. Dab. I want to use my dabber to dab. Make a line for the dab. Oops, sorry. Let me fix this one. We have our dab. Okay, there seems to be a correction from the last page because teacher wasn't able to color this one. Okay, let me go back. Let me erase this one first. I'm so sorry. Let's go back to the previous page. Now, you might not have colored this one, but if you are on this page, I want you to do this one. Go back if you did not color for the tab, because the tab is found in the tin can, in the soda can. So we have our tab. You have to color this picture, the one that I circled on the screen. I'm so sorry, I forgot that one. Let me erase it. Let's go back to our work here. Okay, again, we already made our line for the cab. Now, dab, I will use the dabber to dab. Okay, next one. Sound it out with me. G, a, b. Gab. Gab. I want to gab with my friends. When you say gab, you talk a lot with them. This one is gab. Okay, another one. We have a, b. Lab. A lab is a kind of dog. The Labrador. Lab. So it's another lab word. Where's the lab? The lab is this one. A lab is also a kind of big dog. Lab. Okay, next. We have a, b. Tab. The tab of my soda can is broken. Tab. Where is it? It's this one. This is tab. Okay, next. Another one. A, b. Jab. I use the stick to jab the marshmallow. Jab. When you jab onto something, that is very sharp. So these are the ab words that we have. If you're done with this one, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Are you done? Can we do for the part of this work, the sound it out word? The sound it out work. We're going to sound out for our words and then we get to circle those letters, okay? So we have cab. What are the letters? K, A, B. K, A, B. I think you need to use your marker for this one. You have to circle. K, A, B. We have our cab. I get to ride in a cab. Another one. L, A, B. L, A, B. Lab. I see the lab. Another one. Gab. G, A, B. G, A, B. Gab. Okay, that's gab. Another one. Jab. J, A, B. J, A, B. Jab. Oops, sorry, that is not jab. That's not jab. I wasn't looking at the right picture. This one is not jab. Am I right? We have to erase that. It's not J, but the D sound before dab. That is right. We have dab, D-A-B. I want to dab on my work. Okay, next tab. T-A-B. T-A-B. Tab. I get to open the tab. Another one, we have job. This is already job. J sound. J-A-B. Job. Okay, we have all our app words already. Now, it's time for us to move to the next word. But remember, if you're not yet done, you pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Okay, for this work, I want you to write your name. Now, if you're done writing your name, good job. But you pause the video if you're not yet done. Play it again once you're okay. So here, if you're done writing your name, let's go read for our app words and the other sentences. The lab, the cab, the tab, I gab and gab, I dab and dab. So let's go back. The lab, the cab, the tab, I gab and gab, I dab and dab. So those are the words and some of the sentences that you read. Now, we're going to circle for the right word. Each picture needs its word, so you need to find it. The first one, cab, K-A-B. Where's the word cab? C-A-B. Let's circle for the cab. Okay, another one, we have jab, jab, ab, jab. This one is jab. Okay, next, gab. Gab. I gab with my friends. Gab is to talk a lot. Gab. Talking to your friends. Gab. And the last one, dab. I will use the dabber to dab. Where's dab? D-A-B. This one, the first one, dab. So you should circle the right words just like the one we have on the screen. But now, the next one, we have to write for the sentence. We need to fit it inside the line. So let's read. I am in the cab. Again, I am in the cab. Last one. I am in the cab. So let's write for our sentence, capital I, line down. For the door, add a roof and the floor. Capital I. It's an alligator letter around, up and down under the broken line. The letter M, line down two mountains. The word in, a space, line down, sprinkle on top, line down and a hump. The word in. The T, it's a tall letter. H, line down with a hump. And E, line around and out. I am in the cab. C, A, and the letter B. Cab. I am in the cab. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Let me erase this one. And I'll move to our AdWords. So here we have our AdWords and we get to do the same one just like in our previous page. You get to color for our AD words, AdWords. You get to color the pictures that are AdWords as well. So we have A and B ad. Find all our AdWords. A and B ad. A and B ad. A and the letter D add. Okay, A and D. Now, how about for the pictures here that go inside A and D? How about let's color for sad? The girl is sad. We get to color this one. Sad. The next, what happened to the boy? The boy is mad. He got to rip the paper. He is mad. What else is also an ad word? Do we color for jam? No, it's an word. How about red? No, also. How about lab? No. How about rat? No. What about ram? Not one also. Not for an add word. What about pad here in the? Yes, this is pad. We get to color. How about peg? That one is the peg to hold the tent down. No, also. What about the dog? It bit the paper in the pad. It did a bad thing. Bad is an add word. So let's color this one. Do we color for bag? No. What about tap? No also. How about dad? Okay, let's color for dad. Dad is an add word. How about glad? Yes. He is glad. He is happy. Bed, it's not an add word. It's an ed word. Okay, let's go to our add word and let's write. So you get to choose two words that you want to write for, but I'll be writing for pad and I'll also do pad. So pad is a cut letter. It goes down, line down, pizza to the side. Your A, go around, up and down. And your D, line down, donut to the side. That is pad. Okay, what about another one? It's the bad, line down. Bear's belly. A, around, up and down. D, line down, donut to the side. So we have pad and we have bad. Those are the add words. If you're done, good job. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll move to the next work. I'll get to match the add words also and sound it out. So please, let me remind you, write your name first. If you're not yet done, you pause the video. Play it again if you're ready to work. Let's start with this one. We have our dad. D-A-D. Dad. Where is dad? I see my dad. Make a line. This is the dad. Okay, another one. In another page before, I said our word is glad, but it's actually a boy. Remember, the boy can also be called a sad or a lad. It is a lad. Another word for boy is lad. So this one, is this lad? L-A-D? Yes, let's sound it out. A, D, lad. This is lad. I see the lad. He is glad. Let's make a line. Where's the lad? This one is the lad. Okay, next. The next words. A, D, sad. She is sad. She's about to cry. Where's sad? Make a line. This is sad. Another one. Mad. Where is mad? He got mad at me. Mad. The boy who has the paper, he got mad here. Next one. Pad. I got the pad. A new pad. So where's pad? A pad is like a notebook. Here. Last one. Bad. What did the dog do? He did a bad thing. Bad. Where is it? Make a line. Bad. Can we move to the sound it out work? Because we need to circle for the right letter. You need to sound it out to remember how to spell it. So what about for the first one? B, A, D. What are the letters? B, sound. We have B, letter B, B, A, letter A, and the D sound, letter D. Bad. Okay, next. This is lad. L-A-D. L-A-D. Lad. See? That's lad. Another one. Mad. Letter M. A-D. D. D. Mad. He got mad. Another one. This is pad. P-P-A-D. Pad. I have a pad. Another one. She is sad. Sad. And the last one. The dad. A, dad. So let's go back. We have our bad, lad, mad, pad, sad, and dad. Those are the AdWords that we have for this page. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. I am going to jump to the next page because this work is our last work for this worksheet. So how about for our rule, write your name first. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. Let me read it for you. Can you practice reading with me? Let's dot it in the dots. Remember the word to help you for reading and guide you. Let's read. We have my dad. I am a lad. I am like my dad. My dad is like me. I am glad like my dad. So let's go back. Last round for reading. My dad. I am a lad. Remember, a lad is a boy. This one is a boy. He is a lad. Next one. I am like my dad. My dad is like me. I am glad like my dad. So let's do our work. The first part, it says here, draw a lad. So let's try to practice doing the lad. Sorry, let me erase that. You draw a circle. You make two dots, 1, 2, and then a happy face. A line down like this. And the arms, 1 and 2, 2 lines. And the legs, 1 and 2. That's my lad. It says here also, draw a dad. So let's draw a dad. Make the circle again. The dots, happy face. A line down, 2 lines up, 1 and 2 for the arms. Another set for the legs, 1 and 2. And then it says here, draw a face. Draw the face. The dots for the eyes, that's 1 and 2. Let's not forget the nose. 1 nose, like a half circle, and a big smile because when you're happy, you are glad. Okay, what's our sentence? It says here, I am like my dad. I like my who. Who do you like from the story? I am glad like my dad. I like my, who is that person that you like? It is the man. Is it the son or is it the dad? It is the dad. So let's write for dad in the missing or in the blank space. Line down, make a donut to the side. Your A, around, up and down. Lowercase d, line down, donut to the side again. That's dad. So let's write I like my dad. D, A, and the letter T. And you end your sentence with a period. So that's our sentence. I like my dad. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. But I think this is the last page already for our work. And I'll be moving on to a surprise for you, Rufa. So good job for doing this one. If you're done already with the work, and I'll give you this sticker, friend, for doing a job well done. And I'll see you again in our next class. Bye-bye.